welcome to WeFly Art and Dance Studio YouTube channel. I'm Violet, and today I'm going to share with you about how to make a flower with your hands. This is a dance move that I learned many years back then when I was very young. So let's start. So first, get ready your hands. You can start with this position. It's a V-shaped position, and you can also see it as a flower. So we call this, let's call this position 1. Okay, position number 1. And so let's turn our hand. So let's turn your right hand to the front and the left hand at the back. So it will become like this. So we call this position number 2. It's like a wing. So your right hand is facing you and your left hand is facing the audience. So this is position 1, and then you slowly turn your hand with your right hand in front and your left hand at the back, and you come to this position, the wing position, which is position number 2. So 1, 2, and then you slowly you kind of move your hands downwards, and then you come to this position, which is position number 3. So with the back of your right hand facing the back of your left hand. Okay, so let's call this position number 3. So again, let's start from the beginning. This is position 1, and you slowly turn your hands and it becomes a wing position. This is position number 2, and you move your hand downwards, and we will come to this position number 3. And then after that, then you can move your hand slowly, just kind of turn your hand like this. So your right hand is kind of like, you turn it to face the audience and your left hand is facing you. So we call this position number 4. Okay, so from here, position number 3, you kind of move your hand. So you cannot, you just stick them together, right? So you kind of move your hand with your right hand facing the audience and your left hand facing you yourself. So this is position number 4. It's kind of like an inverted wings, alright? It's just upside down, it's like this. So like this. So this is position number 4. This is 3, and then position number 4. And then we go back, and you kind of turn your hand upwards, and then we go back to position number 1. Okay, so from here, position number 3. Okay, so you move your hand, your right hand in front, left hand in the back. So it's kind of like a wing, position number 4. And then back, you turn like this, and then to the beginning, position number 1 again. Alright, so let's repeat this again. So this is position number 1. So you slowly turn your hand, it becomes a wing. So this is a position, this is position number 2. And then move your hand downwards. This is position number 3. Move your hand like this. This is position number 4. And then slowly move your hand back to its original position, position number 1. So feel free to repeat this video as many times as you like, and do this dance move together with me, how to make a flower with your hand. And the more you do it, and then you can go faster and faster. So you just need to practice it so that you can do it very, very quick like this. And yeah, so there are many variations to this. Some people, they do it in front. You can make a flower in front of you, or you can make it on top of your head, or you can make it like this, okay, on your right. So you can add in some head movement as well. So you can like do this. You can just follow your head will be just following your hand. Okay. So you can just downwards and up again. And then you can do it on your left as well. So, okay, down, up, down, up. And you can just look at the audience and look at your hand. So yes, let's try this with maybe some music, shall we? So let's try to do this with music, alright? With all the variations. So after you can do this, then you can try to do it with different kind of position. So I call it variation. Alright, so that's all for our sharing today. So I hope you enjoy learning this dance move with me. And well, I'll see you next time. Bye.